This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an e-commerce website in Elementor. First, you will need to choose a reliable web hosting provider and register a unique domain name for your online store. Next, install WordPress, which is the foundation of your site, and then add the Elementor Page Builder plugin. Finally, select a lightweight, Elementor-compatible theme, such as the Hello theme, to ensure optimal performance and design flexibility for your new shop. Now, let's integrate the core e-commerce functionality. Install and activate the WooCommerce plugin, which transforms your WordPress site into a fully functional online store. After activation, configure your store's basic settings, such as your preferred currency, store location, and shipping zones. Then, begin adding your initial products, ensuring each has a clear description, high-quality images, and accurate pricing to attract your customers. With WooCommerce set up, it's time to design your product pages. Use Elementor's intuitive drag-and-drop interface to customize the layout of each product page. You can easily add and arrange widgets for the product title, multiple images, pricing details, and the crucial Add to Cart button. Remember to ensure that all your product pages are fully responsive, providing an excellent shopping experience for customers on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. Finally, let's refine the overall store experience. Design your main shop page, the cart page, and the checkout page using Elementor to ensure a seamless and intuitive user journey. Implement custom headers and footers that reflect your brand identity across your entire e-commerce site. Lastly, optimize your website for fast loading speeds and search engine visibility, which are crucial for attracting more visitors and converting them into loyal customers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.